Hey guys, here's some things you need to know about observations that lots of people often forget. Firstly is the word categories of behaviour. Before you set up your observation, you need to sit down and you need to figure out exactly what it is that you're going to be looking for. This is going to save you a lot of time during the experiment or the observation process. Therefore, what you do is you decide what you're looking for. For example, you might be looking for aggression, and before you do your observation, you pre-plan all of the potential examples of aggression that you might see. For example, you might see things like punching, swearing, hitting, kicking, screaming. These would all be categories of behaviour. Similarly, if you were doing an observation into the playground games that primary school children like to play, your observation is looking at playground games. Your categories of behaviour would then be things like football, tag, hit, stuck in the mud, cops and robbers, mums and dads, any game that primary school children might play. Secondly, sometimes students get asked to draw a frequency table for their categories of behaviour. Lots of people get confused by this. Basically, it's a tally chart. Don't get confused by it. It's very easy. Look at the little picture there. As long as you just draw two straight lines, you'll pretty much get some marks for that one anyway. Finally is the word inter-observer reliability. In order to make sure that the observation is as reliable and accurate as possible and there's been no mistakes, what we might do is have two people run the observation. In order to do this, they need to observe the same thing at the same time in the same place, and once they're done, they need to compare their answers with each other. If they've got similar observations, we can say that they've got high inter-observer reliability, and we're happy with that. If they have very different answers on their frequency tables, then we have to throw the observation out. We have to start again because clearly there were some mistakes made.